Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. We're here for another video. So for today, I'm going to be unboxing my Apple Watch SE, the new one that I got that just came out. When was it? In September. I got it on Black Friday. I thought I was going to get a deal, but I didn't. I know they had gift cards for when you bought stuff for Apple, which is kind of irritating. It's like, I want a discount now. But I wasn't able to get that because I used my veterans discount. I was in the military, so I got like 10% off of this. And I also had a gift card from when I bought my laptop. If you haven't watched that video, go watch that video. So I used that gift card towards the Apple Watch, and then I only ended up paying like $80. And the main reason why I got this Apple Watch, a new one, was because I lost my old one. And you guys, Apple, can you please do this for me? Can you make it so I can find it when it dies, okay? When it has no battery juice. Because, you know, when your phone, when your AirPods, when your AirPods, your watch, when it's dead, you cannot find it. I could not find it for the life of me. I looked everywhere. Everywhere. And I could not find it. I was like, I can't live without my Apple Watch. It does everything, you know, tracking my fitness. So I decided to use my gift card and get a new one. So that's what I ended up doing. So I'm here to show you guys that today, I mean, the Apple Watch is not nothing like go out and get it, because they literally don't really change year to year that much, just like the iPhones. It's another conversation within itself. But I just got this because I lost my old Apple Watch. And the old one that I had was a Series 3. Like, it was like, it might have been the first one they came out with. I haven't upgraded since, because you don't really need to, because it's like minor changes. Why spend all that money for what? For minor changes? Nah, it's not worth it. But for me, it was worth it to have one because I lost mine. But anyway, so I ended up getting the Apple Watch SE with GPS only. I just don't feel like it's worth it to get the one with that you could put a phone plan with, because it's so pointless to me, because you can still filter calls through your Apple Watch and stuff like that. So it's like, whatever. I got the 40mm, which is a little bit bigger than the one I had previously. My Series 3 was a 38mm. This is the midnight aluminum case with, I got the white sports band and a small medium, and it retails for $224. And I got this because it was a cheaper one, and I didn't feel like I really needed the SE. What is it, the Series 8 now? I was just like, nah, I don't really need that one. I can go with the cheaper one. Like, it's not like my Apple Watch it's a part of my livelihood, but it's not enough for me to spend that much money. So we could do the SE. So to show you guys what I got really quick, here's the boxes it came in. This is the sports band, and this is the actual watch. Like I said, I got the midnight. I'll give you the details of this watch, I guess. Features that come with this watch. So I have charged it already, and this is what it looks like in the midnight color, which I actually like this because my Series 3 was like, it was dark, but it was like a gray, you know. So now this is like an actual black, so I like that. And I think on the back it's a plastic back, and it's not the aluminum back that the Series 8 has, or, you know, the more expensive one. Oh, shoot. You guys. Yeah, the more expensive one. So you have the dial on the side and the little button. Same shtick. Nothing really changed. It's just a little bit bigger than my Series 3. Because the Series 3 was a 38 and this is a 40 milliliter. What comes in the box is, ooh, I hope you can see that, is the charging cord. And they said with these, I guess more recently with the new versions of the watch, they've been the USB-C. So, and that is true. This one does come with the USB-C charging port. I just wish the cord wasn't so long. Why is the cord so long? Like, this could literally be like this long and be cool. Like, it doesn't need to be that long, I guess. Or like right here, it doesn't need to be this long. But anyways, neither here nor there. And okay, hold on. So this don't come with the charging block. Y'all gotta do better, because for me to pay this much, I should get a charging block with this. Like, this is ridiculous, Apple. And then let me show you guys the sports band really quick. Where's it at? I ended up going with the white one. I mean, they need to do better with the colors that they offer when you buy the watch. I will not be buying any more from Apple, because you can get them for like $2 on Shein, okay? And be fine. You can get any color you want, like. And I feel like it's the exact same quality. Nothing really changes, but this is what that looks like. I actually just took this one out without showing you guys really quick. So, ooh, I hope you can see that. This is what the Apple Watch, the band looks like, what it comes with. So we're gonna put this on, because I know how to do it. It's really simple, very easy. Just clicks in right there. Hold on. Make sure this little one piece, metal piece in the back goes to the back of the watch. And then there you have it, you guys. This is my Apple Watch. Ooh, I'm gonna put this on wrong. Yeah, definitely put this on wrong. I think the other side is supposed to go over here. That I'm struggling with this and recording. Okay, there we go. So this is what that looks like with it on. Oh, it's so cute, you guys. Absolutely love it. Okay, anyways, really quick, the specs of this watch, because this is getting too long. The SE, it has a retina display up to 1,000 nits. It's swim proof. The high and low heart rate notifications you will receive, irregular rhythm notification, cycle tracking, emergency SOS. Now that's something new. That's something new with the phone, Apple 14 phone as well. International emergency calling, fall detection, crash detection, that's new. Cellular, yeah. Family setup, you can pair multiple watches on one iPhone. And yeah, your cell phone is available as well. So really, that's the basics of this watch. I did get 3 months. I do get 3 months free for the Apple Fitness app. I'm gonna use it, but I would not keep it. It's $10 a month. That's ridiculous. $10 a month, I already gotta pay for Peloton. No, and I don't even use the Peloton app. So $10 a month, y'all need to bring that down, all the way down. So I get 3 months free for that. If you buy an Apple Watch, you get 3 months free to use their Apple app. Like I said, let me tell you what other colors it comes in. Like I said, it comes in Starlight aluminum case, the Midnight, and what's the other one? Silver. Midnight, Starlight, and Silver. Those are the 3 aluminum cases that it comes in. And the different sports bands, they have the continuous loop sports band, which I didn't like that one. It have the white, what is this? What color is this? Midnight, Starlight, white, slate blue, elderberry, which is like a dark purple, succulent, which is like a grayish blue, and red. So that's really what you're getting with the Apple Watch SE, you guys. And I just wanted to unbox that really quick for you guys in case you were interested in upgrading your watch, which if you have a watch, my advice is just stick with it. Don't upgrade unless you cannot find your watch. But that's my main con with Apple, is I should be able to find my stuff when it dies, okay? Because this is irritating. I'm not gonna keep buying and buying and buying when I lose my stuff. What's the point of find my app on my, you know, what's the point of that if I can't find it when it's dead? Somebody help me out here, because I know I can't be the only one griping about this because it's irritating. And then let me tell you something else. I ended up finding my Apple Watch 3. Y'all, tell me why I found it. In the laundry. I was like, somebody kill me now. And this was like a week after I got this. And then I found it. So irritating. So very irritating. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Comment below. Comment below if you've lost something and tried to track it and cannot find it. Let's get this complaint thing going. So maybe Apple will make some changes, but they do need to make some changes. They need to step up upgrade their game, because these small little changes and everything like that are not working. Like when I saw that TikTok of the girl who's able to charge her phone, her Android, I think she had a Samsung phone, with charge somebody else's phone with her phone. I was like, but we over here paying $1,000 for the lowest, the cheapest phone, $1,000 for the Pro, and all we got was crash detection, emergency SOS. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Definitely subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.